Hello and happy 2023 lovely jewelers. I hope you had a super awesome Christmas and New Year. I took a bit of time off over Christmas and New Year, so I haven't done a video in 2 weeks, which feels like eternity, but I'm back and feeling super refreshed and ready to carpe 2023. So in this video, I thought I would share with you some of my plans for 2023. So let's jump into it. So first up, I have something super exciting that you can look forward to that will be coming out soon. It's a free 1 hour long masterclass on the framework that I use inside my own jewelry business to create a success of it. And I'll be sharing all of those structures with you and also uncovering some common misconceptions. You know, those things that everyone says that we should be doing, where actually maybe it's not such a good idea. So I'll uncover all of that and share that with you. So I'm gonna try my darn hardest to bring it out to you in January, but I wanna make it really, really good. So I'm taking a lot of care to make sure that it's really good, you know, like jam-packed, proper, good quality content. So there's a possibility it might be a little bit later than January, and that is because I'm also going away. I'm going to South Africa. So middle of January, I'm going to South Africa to visit my mum for her 80th birthday. So that is going to be super amazing. So get a little bit of sunshine, spend a little bit of time in South Africa visiting some friends, go into the mountains, go camping in the wilderness. And I am so looking forward to that. So if I can't get it done before I leave, then I will be doing it when I'm back. So either way, it's coming soon. Even while I'm in South Africa, I plan on bringing out YouTube videos every week. I have a few good friends who live there who are also successful jewelers. So I'm gonna try my best to twist their arm and see if they can join me on a YouTube video or two. So fingers crossed, I hope they will say yes to that. So that is also super exciting. So I really look forward to bringing that out to you as well. Even if they say no, there will be other great content. And on another topic, with my own jewelry business, this year I plan on bringing out a new collection, which I've been working on, but I need to consider so many different factors with it that are really important when creating a new collection. So I'm not rushing this process at all, and I want to make sure that I've really considered everything when I do this. So I'm super excited about that. And another thing that I'm going to be doing this year is to really look at efficiency in my jewelry business and see where I'm spending time that I shouldn't be, where I can make things more efficient, more cost effective, more streamlined, as I already do that already, but really I'm gonna really take good note of that this year and see if there's any other areas that can be tightened up or loosened out to be able to be as efficient as possible, because time is money. Our time is money as well. So we need to value that as well and look at all of that. So I plan on doing that this year, as well as continuing to find a few more shops, physical shops, and then also continuing to expand with my sales online. So I'm really excited about 2023 and where my jewelry business is going to go. And in my coaching business, if you haven't heard about that yet, that is where I teach jewelry designers to grow and scale their business without feeling overwhelmed and underpaid. So I'll be focusing a lot of my attention on the students in the academy, the Consistent Sales Academy, and helping them answer all of those questions where they're getting stuck with different aspects, helping them find ways to make their jewelry businesses more efficient, and just answering all of the questions. I have students at the present that are at all different stages, all completely different styles of jewelry. So it's really nice to go over that really specifically with them. And, you know, they have time each to ask their questions in the calls and hear each other's feedback, which they find really helpful. So I'll be focusing a lot of energy on that. Also making sure that the course is always up to date. You know, with Instagram, there's always updates and things changing, especially with, you know, algorithms and things like that. So if there's any big new important things that they need to be on top of, I will make sure to make a new video and include that in the course, because I always want it to be super current and up to date and really user-friendly right now in 2023. So I'll be focusing on that. So if you're thinking of joining, there's a link below the video where you can find find out more information. There's all kinds of stuff about what's in the different modules and everything that you need to know over there. So feel free to check that out if you're interested. And if you want to reach out, there's an option to book a call. So feel free to go ahead and use that option if you have any questions. So that is mainly what I'll be focusing on for the coaching business this year, and I'm super excited about it. I'm so happy that the course is done and it is so good. It's got over 103 videos in it, which are all step-by-step tutorials. And yeah, literally I wish I could take my own course. If I was starting, I would totally take this course. Some of the students have finished the course already, and it's so nice to see their progress and transformation with the business and just the way that they go about doing things and thinking about things. So really seeing their confidence boost and really having that clarity and knowing what they're doing has been really, really great. So I'm so freaking honored to have helped them with that. Yes, so anyway, enough about the course. Let's move on to the next topic. YouTube, where you are right now. So this is an area that I have been focusing way more attention on, and you may have seen lately on Instagram, I've been spending less time there and more time on YouTube. This is a strategic move for me because YouTube is a really incredible platform for sharing actually good quality, longer form content where I feel I can offer so much more value rather than the short snippets on Instagram. So in terms of my coaching business, I'm definitely focusing more energy on YouTube. So make sure that you're subscribed because I will be posting on here weekly with really helpful information for starting your jewelry business and helping you grow it. So that is something that I am doing strategically. So I have an idea for YouTube where I would like to create a mini series where I basically start a new jewelry business from scratch. So knowing everything that I know now, I would then release videos each week, step by step, showing you what I would do next. So sharing all of that with you. So let me know down in the comments if you would be interested in watching this, and then who knows, this might become a reality. And of course, on top of all of that, I will still be releasing videos each Sunday with valuable content on all the different aspects about running a jewelry business. So stick around, and I really hope that you're finding value in these videos because it really means a lot to me to be able to help people who are starting out. So that is in store for YouTube. And on another note, we are going to be probably moving out of our house in July because our lease is coming to an end. So who knows where we might end up. So there will be a whole new studio update and all of that to look forward to in the second half of the year. So that is it from me for now, but I'm wishing you such an incredibly amazing 2023. I hope you're feeling super motivated and excited to copy this year, and you are looking forward to grow your jewelry business this year because there's no time like the present. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week in another video.